Hey guys, welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue toilet paper slime. This is one of my favorite no glue slime recipes and one of the most requested no glue slime recipes for my channel. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad from the last week's video is so please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some new ideas. Let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so the ingredients you guys need to make this no glue slime recipe today is toilet paper. You'll need any type of soap, body wash, or hand soap works really good. You guys will need a boiler plate to make your no glue slime in. And last but not least, you guys will need a mixing bowl. This is one of my favorite recipes to make just because of how easy it is. So you're just going to get a little bit of toilet paper just like this. You're going to rip it apart into sections. And you're just going to shred it up. You want to shred it into like tiny pieces because this is going to make the slime like texture, almost like dough. So I'm going to get doing that now. And then I'm going to get mixing it over time. And that is going to be by adding my soap, which is a style one. Just going to add that right on top. And I'm just going to get mixing it up. And you can add more toilet paper in over time as you add soap, because the less soap or the more soap you add, the less like slime like texture it's going to get, because the toilet paper is what's going to make it into like a slime texture. So I'm going to get adding in more paper now, just like that, and just get mixing it up. Okay, I finished mixing it up. I'm going to let it like kind of like dissolve into the soap over time as it's in the refrigerator, and that will be the next step for this no glue slime recipe. I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. Every 30 minutes I'm going to take it out, I'm going to mix it up and see how it's looking. So the refrigerator is basically going to make it kind of more solid and let the coldness kind of like make the soap into a thicker texture. And then if it needs more toilet paper, I'll add more toilet paper, and most likely it will not need more soap, so I'll be fine with that. But if you need more soap, add more soap. So that's all you guys have to do, is put it into the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. So I'll see you guys in about a second when this no glue slime recipe is all done. Alright guys, a few hours later, here is the slime. I'm so excited to get a look at this and see how it is. And ooh guys, this is quite sticky today. But look at the slime this made. Wow, it's definitely sticking all over me. Oh gosh, also look at the nails. They are mermaid themed this week. I've been using these press-on ones that I've been getting from TikTok, and I love them so much. But back to the slime. Here it is. Look how sizzly it is. Oh my god. Look at the paper texture in there. This turned out amazing. Probably one of my favorite no glue slime recipes is no glue paper slime, just because of how it turns out. A lot of you guys seem to like have issues with no glue paper slime, but I swear, mix it up, add more paper into there, and keep molding it. Sometimes it turns into like a dough-like texture, and sometimes you're going to get it just right and it will turn into a slime texture. And there is a hair in there, which is normal. I mean, sometimes my hair will fall in the slime, which that's okay. But here is a no glue paper slime. This is a huge win-win for me and a 10 out of 10 for no glue slime. I really hope you guys get trying out this recipe. This is one of my favorites. I added a little bit of a twist on it today by adding in more paper at first, and I swear it makes it into a better like dough texture, which is super great. So I really hope you guys like this recipe today. If you did like it, remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Also remember to check out all my social medias. They'll be linked down below. My TikTok, Instagram, Roblox is all down there where you guys can check me out on. But yeah, go get making this recipe now. And if you want to comment on this video, the comments will most likely be turned off. So go over to my community page. I always post there whenever I upload, and that's how you guys can qualify for notification squad. But yeah, I love you guys so much, and thanks for watching, and remember, thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye guys!